my channel if you're a subscriber. And if you're not, you should be. So go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. Kindly. Today I'm going to be doing a video on this new wig. First of all, my hair is looking crazy right now because it's time, like my lace is lifting a little bit. It's just time for new hair, new and improved. I got a very special event that I'm going to tomorrow, so I'm very excited about. So I'm going to do my hair tonight. It's about almost 11 o'clock. And I'm going to do my hair tonight, so I'm ready in the morning to show out, okay? So, this wig is from Luvme Hair. Now, there's a whole bunch of hype. There's a whole bunch of talk about how this is the lace. And I've had probably 60 lace, I don't know, or more. So I'm excited to try it. It says affordable luxury wig. Beautiful box. Like, purple is a beautiful color. It has this little note in it. How cute is that? Enjoy your hair journey from now on. That's cool. Then I got, I'll show you the goodies first. So I got a wig cap, which I got like a whole 25 of them on Amazon for like $6. So if you're interested in that, Amazon's not sponsored in this video, by the way, but it should be. Also in this box, I got this cute little makeup bag. Ooh, it's got a comb, a hair wax stick. Oops, it's on the floor now, but you know. Hair wax stick, a strap, which I never ever use these because I personally like to glue my lace down, and I always sew a strip in the back so that it doesn't lift or move. Got a tweezers, very helpful. Some bobby pins, which this is pretty dope because I don't know if y'all ever get wigs or, you know, order them offline or whatever. I don't think I've ever seen bobby pins in there. Like, these are essential because you need to hold the hair back. You need to pin it up. You need bobby pins. And in my house, they walk away. I don't know what happened to my bobby pins. Oh my God, y'all. Look at this. Oh, that is freaking beautiful. This is a clip. It says, "Love me." That's bomb. I wasn't expecting this. That's cute, y'all. Like, I don't know if you can see with the glare or whatever, but that's beautiful. I love diamonds, okay? Well, I guess those are rhinestones, but you get it. And then we have the hair that comes in this really nice mesh bag with the hair that I got. Oh, snaps. So I've been having this like copper red color for about 3 or 4 months, I think, and I love this color. Sorry, y'all. Anyhow, I've had this color for a while and I love this color, but I just wanted to change it, you know, change it up, get something new. So comes with a little cushion pad just to keep the shape of the wig. Here's the color. Oops. Ooh, that's about to be cute. It's actually almost the color that I have now, but I wanted something different. I love the dark roots because then I don't have to worry about shading or coloring in my eyebrows. This is so bomb. I'm pretty sure this is 22-inch deep wave, or I'm sorry, body wave. And what's cool about this that I'm so excited about, it comes with the band. I don't normally put these in, like I said, because I sew mine down, but with this I might not have to sew it. Just go ahead and, you know, glue my edges and or glue my hairline and then wear it as is, especially because it's late and I have an event tomorrow, so I need to be right. But yeah, just look like this hair is so soft. I freaking love it. I don't know how I feel about the curl just yet, but I'll go ahead and, you know, style it and everything on my own. So what I'm gonna do is go off camera, put my wig cap on and all that, because everyone pretty much does it the same way. Like, y'all don't really need to see that. This was more so about the hair and how I style it and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll let y'all see the process of putting it on and making it cute. Okay, so I went ahead and my hair was already braided. I had just braided it last week or whatever for my other hair, so I'm not gonna re-braid it right now. I noticed that a lot of people cut this part off, this little band that's darker, but I'm not really sure why that is, because once you put the wig on, if the lace is transparent, which is what this claims to be, we'll find out how real that is, then that shouldn't matter. Like, it should melt down, and if you lay it down right, you'll be fine. Also, what I do to my wig is put a little my wig cap is put a little of my foundation on there, so it blends in anyway. So today I'm not gonna cut it all off and do all that, because I just don't really feel that's necessary. Like, everyone has their preferences, but this is mine, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that in. And as you can see, it doesn't matter what color the lace or the wig cap is, because you just cover it with some foundation and you're gonna be all right. And I'm gonna melt the wig like right before my hairline, you know, and it's gonna look just as good as all that cutting and all that, because I just don't feel like doing all that. It's not necessary. So I'm gonna put it just as far back as I would do my part. Now granted, my part is not in the middle of my head, but I just want to make sure, you know, it's right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I feel pretty good about that. Now I'm excited for this part because, y'all, they keep saying that this is the most transparent lace that there is. Out of all the wigs I've gotten, I kind of had to like tweak every one. So I don't know if y'all know this, but nobody really wants to do that all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with my wig. Put some foundation on the lace. Not as much as I put on the cap, because this is a really nice colored lace. So do that. First of all, let me show y'all this though. It has all these combs in here. I don't particularly use the combs because I don't want my edges falling out, and that's usually what does it. Like, all that tension on the combs put on your hair. So what I'm gonna do is use my little razor, cut this lace in the back because that's not necessary. Okay. So I went ahead and cut the lace off the back. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this on. Alright, so first of all, this color is giving me so much life right now. I like the way the lace is. I'm not plucking or nothing, y'all, because
two, it doesn't look horrible. Like when I do my part, which probably will go like right here, or right here, I'm gonna, you know, go ahead and fluff my part a little bit, make it more real, and put some foundation on it. But let's just enjoy this hair. Like, okay, I lied, I do like the curl. Like, looking at it off my head, I wasn't sure, but this, I'm gonna just go ahead and wear these curls, okay? Just bump it a little bit, fill it out. How cute is this? This is some good quality hair, y'all. Like, it's so silky. It feels like if you gotta relax hair. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, yeah, sorry, I gotta clean this off, but you can see, it's laid pretty good. And just like that. It looks really... Okay, yeah, so, sorry about that, I had to put my niece to sleep. So this is how it looks. It should be plucked more, I'm not gonna lie, but after I style it and do my hair, it'll be fine for a couple days. Then when I do it again, put it back on, actually take my time, I'll lay it. But this hair is so bomb, y'all, like... So it's on, it ain't going anywhere. So let me show y'all how it looks. Yeah, look how pretty this hair curls too. Like that is freaking gorgeous. Let me do another piece so you can see.
This is so cute. And these are just some cheap curlers I got off Amazon. I've been curling my hair with a flat iron and it just isn't the same. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, y'all. So I just curled a little bit more in the front because I didn't want to do too much because I'm about to go to bed. But this hair is absolutely beautiful. I definitely 100% would recommend Luvme Hair. It's soft. It's really, really, really nice. It doesn't shed. It smells great. It looks great. Like this color they did is pretty melted. Like look at that ombre. That's a nice ombre. Like it laid really good. You know, my edges look good. The lace was perfect. It fits my head just right. And usually, like, I feel like I have a big head, and this time, like, it fit just perfect. I didn't really have to adjust the bands or any of that. Like, I truly love this hair. Tomorrow I will do a full look, probably a get ready with me for my events. And yeah, so I will put the link in the description box below of where I got this hair. Like I said, Luvme Hair. The one that I have, I'm pretty sure this is 18-inch. 27 with with natural roots, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put it down in the description box. But I hope y'all like this video. I try to keep it under 15 minutes. We're probably a little bit over 15 minutes, but you get the idea. Like, this hair is so cute. Look at my part and how natural that looks. And yeah, my curls are looking kind of crazy, but you get the idea. Like, I'm gonna do it cute tomorrow and, you know, all that fancy stuff. So thanks for watching, y'all. Go get you some Luvme Hair. Definitely love it. I might have a coupon code. If I do, I'll go ahead and put it in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think of this hair, how it matches me, all those good things. Until next time, stay fancy. Bye.